Dodge's compact Hornet has been an odd little story in the brand's recent lineup. It arrived with the promise of fresh, European-flavored styling and a hybrid option, but today the car's path to US buyers looks uncertain. Stellantis has told the press that production of the 2026 Dodge Hornet is being postponed as the company evaluates the effects of newly imposed tariffs on imported vehicles, a development that directly affects the Hornet because it's assembled in Pomigliano d'Arco, Italy, the same plant that builds the Alfa Romeo tonneau. That tariff, a punitive 25% charge on certain imported cars, has the immediate effect of dramatically raising the landed cost of Hornets shipped to the US market. For a vehicle that competes in the crowded compact SUV space where price sensitivity is high, a one-quarter jump in cost can quickly undercut margins or force large price increases that would scare off buyers. Stellantis' public statement frames the move as a careful, business-first decision, postponed for the 2026 model year as we continue to assess the effects of US tariff policies. The timing is especially awkward because the Hornet hasn't exactly been a runaway success. After a solid debut, the Hornet sold 20,559 units during 2024, but then saw its numbers fall off sharply in 2025, with a steep downturn across the spring months. Those declining sales figures, combined with tariff-driven cost exposure, make the business case for rushing to produce a tariff-hit Hornet less compelling. Whether Dodge will cobble together a limited run of 2026 models later in the year or skip the model year entirely remains unclear. The automaker's language leaves the door open, but the uncertainty itself is striking. For buyers and fans, the key takeaway is simple. The Hornet's future in the US will depend on how Stellantis navigates the tariff landscape. They could absorb the cost, reprice the model, manufacture elsewhere, or delay until regulatory clarity returns. Each option has trade-offs. Moving production is costly and slow, while passing a tariff onto consumers risks further depressing demand. Expect a lot of internal number crunching at Dodge over the coming months, and keep an eye on the import tariff story because decisions there will ripple through model availability and pricing in surprising ways.